Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Jacob Hendrickson. Epic journey takes solo rower across Pacific from Washington to Australia. Jacob Hendrickson had been rowing across the Pacific Ocean for more than 300 days when he finally saw land. 13 June 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
551 hours. An average kayaker will travel at 5 miles per hour. Given that Google Maps says the distance, via Hawaii, between USA and Japan is 2,756 miles, it will take the adventurer just over 551 hours to make the journey. That's a touch under 23 days. That's 23 days worth of food you have to take with you. 10 November 2010.
Take our lead.
It takes between 2 to 3 weeks to sail to Hawaii. During the last Transpac race, the fastest monohull made the crossing in 5 days and 2 hours. The slowest boat, a 48 feet sailing cruising, took nearly 16 days. However, the average recreational sailor, cruising at the average speed, will more likely take 14 days.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.